Welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie. Today we are going to learn how to draw a beautiful scene featuring a duck in the water surrounded by long, elegant trees. So grab your pencils and let's get started. First, let's draw the reflection of a water. Then draw the duck. Begin by sketching a small oval shape for the body. Make sure it's slightly tilted to give the impression that the duck is floating on the water. Next, draw a smaller oval at one end of the body for the head. Connect the head to the body with a short curved neck. Now let's be at the beak. Draw a small triangle extending from the head and don't forget to curve the tip slightly downward for the eye. Draw a small circle just above the beak. Add a tiny dot inside the circle for the pupil if you want. Next, draw the wings from the middle of the body. Sketch a curved line that goes up and then back down, resembling the shape of a folded wing. Repeat on other side and some feather details by drawing short curved lines within the wing. I forgot, please note when you draw the water, start by drawing a few wavy lines around the base of the duck to represent ripples. These lines should be wider near the duck and taper off as they move away. Moving onto the background, let's draw the trees. Start with the tree trunks. Draw several long vertical lines varying in heights and thickness. These lines should start from the bottom of your page and extend upward. You can also add some birds and moon, and there you have it, a peaceful scene of a duck floating in the water with long trees in the background. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel.